Hey there, curious minds. Today, we are taking a wild ride off the edge, literally. Ever heard the phrase, going off the deep end? Well, we are going off the deep end of science today as we explore one of the most talked about conspiracy theories ever. Is the Earth really flat? Yeah, you heard me right. So, buckle up, grab your tinfoil hats, and let's dive into this fantastical journey together. Alright, let's start at the beginning. Where did this whole Earth is flat idea even come from? Believe it or not, this concept has been around for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Babylonians and Egyptians had their own versions of a flat Earth. But let's fast forward to the modern era. No, I'm not talking about medieval times when sailors feared falling off the edge of the world. I'm talking about the 1800s when a man named Samuel Rowbotham published a book called Zetetic Astronomy. In it, he argued that the Earth is flat, based on his own observations. And guess what? People actually bought into it. Now, you might be thinking, but we've seen Earth from space, right? Case closed. Well, not so fast. The flat Earth theory saw a resurgence in recent years, fueled by, you guessed it, the internet. Social media platforms became a breeding ground for all sorts of theories, and the flat Earth theory got a second wind. Videos, blogs, and memes began circulating, claiming that the globe we were taught to believe in is nothing more than a giant conspiracy. I mean, why not question everything, right? People started to ask, if the Earth is round, why does the horizon look flat? Or why don't we feel like we are spinning at 1,000 miles per hour? It's entertaining, really, people taking everyday observations and twisting them into something that sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie. Let's dive into some of the evidence that flat earthers love to point out. First up, the famous water doesn't curve argument. Flat earthers believe that if the Earth were round, water would naturally curve around the globe, but they claim we don't see this happening. Then there's the whole, we never see the curve of the Earth from an airplane argument. According to them, when you're flying high in the sky, the horizon should show a noticeable curve if the Earth were a sphere, but it looks flat instead. Oh, and let's not forget the big one, the NASA is lying to us theory. Flat earthers argue that all space photos and videos are doctored, CGI creations meant to deceive us. Because apparently, the entire space industry, with thousands of scientists and engineers, is in on the secret. Talk about a blockbuster conspiracy. But here's the twist. Despite all these entertaining theories, the overwhelming evidence tells us the Earth is, in fact, round. Ever heard of gravity? It's the force that pulls everything toward the center of the Earth, creating a spherical shape. And those photos from space? Yeah, they're real. We've had countless missions to space, from Apollo to the ISS, and every single one shows a round Earth. Not to mention, people have circumnavigated the globe, literally flown and sailed around the world, and guess what? No one's fallen off the edge. There's also the way the Earth's shadow falls on the moon during a lunar eclipse, always round, no matter where you are on Earth. And that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to evidence for our beautiful blue marble. So, is the Earth flat? Well, the evidence says otherwise. But the flat Earth theory sure makes for an entertaining conversation. Whether you are a globehead or a flat earther, one thing's for sure, curiosity and questioning the world around us is what drives human discovery. Just remember, the next time someone tells you the Earth is flat, maybe they're just pulling your leg, or trying to get you to watch their YouTube video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this fun dive into one of the wildest conspiracy theories out there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you on the next adventure, whether it's flat or round.